Welcome to this lesson on localhost. In this video, we'll explore what localhost is and why it's crucial for understanding networking and computer communication. Localhost refers to your own computer when accessed through the network. It's a fundamental concept that every developer and IT professional should understand. Localhost is a special term that refers to your own computer when you access it through the network. Instead of using your computer's actual name or network address, you can use the term localhost. Every computer on a network has a special address called 127.0.0.1. This address is reserved exclusively for your local machine and cannot be used for any external communication. The IP address for localhost is 127.0.0.1. Often written as 127.0.0.1. This address is part of a special range called the Loopback Address range, which includes all addresses from 127.0.0.0 to 127.255.255.255. The hostname localhost serves as a human-readable name for this address. The primary purpose of localhost is for testing and development work on your own machine. Localhost serves three main purposes. First, it allows you to test applications without needing an internet connection. You can run and test your code entirely on your own computer. Second, it provides a safe development environment where you can build and debug code without any risk of affecting external systems. Third, it offers complete security because nothing running on localhost is exposed to external networks or accessible from the internet. You can access localhost in two primary ways. In a web browser, you can type localhost followed by a colon and a port number, such as localhost :8080 or 127.0.0.1:3000. Port numbers allow you to run multiple services on the same machine. From the command line, you can use the ping command to check if localhost is responding. Simply type ping localhost or ping 127.0.0.1 to verify connectivity. There are important differences between localhost and remote servers. Localhost runs on your own machine, requires no internet connection, offers fast and reliable performance, and provides complete privacy and security. Remote servers, on the other hand, run on another computer, require an internet connection, depend on network availability, and are typically accessible to the public. Localhost is ideal for development, while remote servers are used for production and public-facing applications. Localhost has many practical applications. In web development, developers run web servers like Apache, Nginx, or Node.js locally before deploying to production. For database testing, you can set up databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB on your machine to develop and test applications. In application testing, mobile app developers and desktop application developers use localhost to test their applications without needing network access. These use cases demonstrate why localhost is essential in modern software development. Let's summarize the key points about localhost. First, localhost at 127.0.0.1 is your computer's local network address. Second, it's essential for development, testing, and debugging applications. Third, it provides security and reliability without any internet dependency. And fourth, localhost is used across web development, database management, and application testing. Understanding localhost is a crucial foundation for anyone working in software development or IT.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.